Okay, so let's find the answer to the Think Java Chapter 4 Exercise 1 thing. So let's assume that you wrote down what you thought the answer was going to be. You have it on a piece of paper or in comments in Google Classroom or whatever. So now we want to test out that code and see if it works. So what you want to do is, in this case, if you look at this code that they gave us, it already, am I going to be able to find it now? Yeah, it already has a main method. So when you create your new Java project, you don't want to create your own main method. You just want to create a class. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, New, Java project. You're going to name it Think Java Chapter 4 Exercise 1. And then it's not letting me because I already have. Okay. All right, so now if I finish this, fine, it's going to finish it. It's going to create the project. Then you're going to create a new class. So I'll click on my project and I'll create a new class. And you give it a name. Think Java Chapter 4 Exercise 1A. And this time you're not going to create the main method. Usually you would check this box, but this time don't. You can check generate comments if you like, but I think it makes it more confusing, so I wouldn't. So finish. Now this just gives you an empty class. So we can put our class comments here. Then you want to come over to here and you want to just copy all this code. And then you paste the code in here. And be careful that you don't accidentally paste anything extra in there. There we go. So now I have my class. I have the method Zoop, the main method, and all the other little methods. And now I can run it. And, well, that's what comes out. Try again. There we go. So there's the answer. Now, why was it so hard? That's what we want to think about. So just write me a little something that, why was it so hard? It's really not that hard. What it is it's tricky because your brain gets confused. The computer doesn't get confused, but we do because it's too much jumping around. So see how you make out with this, and we'll definitely talk about this exercise in class on Wednesday. All right, thanks. See you guys later. Have a great day. It's beautiful out.